Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix TikTok filters not working. And here's how it is done. First, tap the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. Then look at the bottom left for the effects option and tap on that. This will display a variety of filters, including trending and new ones. If you are searching for a specific filter, you can use the search icon at the top left to look for it. For example, if you want a happy face filter, just type it in and you should see some options. If the filter is still missing, I have two more options for you. First, exit the app and go to your settings. Then tap on General and find iPhone storage. Scroll down until you find TikTok. Then select it to offload the app. Reinstalling it can help reset any bugs and force an update, which may fix issues with filters not loading properly. Once that is done, I will show you the final step if the filters are still not appearing. Tap the search icon in the top right corner, and if you know a specific filter someone else has used, you can go to other video or search filters trend TikTok. For example, I look for a random video that uses a filter. If they use a filter, it should be listed at the bottom, allowing you to use it for your own videos. Let us see if I can find a good one. I can tap on it, and at the bottom it says use this effect. By finding filters that others have used, you can apply them to your own content. And that is everything you need to know about how to fix TikTok filters not working. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.